What are the different ways to mark the attendance of the employee? Firstly, you can manually mark the present or absent of the employee from the software. To mark the present of the employee, go to attendance, apply attendance. From here, you can filter out the employees by selecting state, branch, category, department, or designation, or you can directly search the employee ID for whom you need to mark the present, or you can select the from date and to date. Select all the employees and click on mark present, or you can select any one employee whose attendance you need to mark manually and click on mark present. You can see the attendance of that employee in employee daily attendance. Select that employee ID. Select the month and year and click on view details. You can see the marked attendance of that employee. If you want to mark the absent of any day for that employee, you can select that particular day. Select that employee ID and click on mark absent. You can directly click on view details. You can see the absent day would appear as a bright red. To mark the half day or early going of any employee, go to attendance, update attendance. Select the employee ID. Select the half day on which you need to mark the attendance. If you want to modify in time and out time both, you need to select the in and out time. Here you need to mention the time of the employee on also the out time of that employee, and mention the comments why you are updating this attendance from update attendance. Or if you only want to modify the out time, you can just check the out time checkbox and click on submit. Once you submit it, you can see the half day marked of that employee on that day. If you select the in time also, you can update the in time and out time both of that employee. Here you can see only the out time is updated as we had only selected the out time. You can see the in time and out time updated of that employee. This is one of the possible ways you can mark the attendance of all the employees. You can directly select all the employees and mark present, and then you can select the absent days of any employee and click on mark absent. So you can apply the import the attendance of that employee. To import the attendance, go to import attendance. From here you can select the file or the format in which you need to import the attendance of any employee and open that. Here you can view the employee ID column, the date, in time and out time, whether he is next day out, that is for the night shift. If he is uh, his out time is next day, you can get this. You can mention the status as one, or also if he has come for an half day, you can mention if it is his first half or second half. Suppose for employee, you can select the employee ID and you can drag that the date you need to mention in month, date and year format. That is, if we are marking the attendance of an employee, select the month, date and year format. Mention the in time and out time. Or you can directly drag the in time and out time of the employees. If you are maintaining the punches, that is the real time punches on which time the employee has entered and leave the office, you can mention that date. You can mention that time, or you can directly copy paste from the sheet that you are maintaining. Here you can drag this date. You can mention the first half, second half if the employee has come for an half day. And you can directly import this file from the import attendance link. Here you can go to import attendance, choose that file, click on the get sheet button. Once you click on get sheet, in the drop down you can select the sheets of that Excel. From here select the from, that is the row, number of rows, and from the two you can select the last option, that is the last row of that sheet, and click on get data. You can see the data of that sheet would appear, and then you can click on check data. If any error would appear, it would be marked as red. If any validation error would appear, if the attendance is already present with the same value, you can see it in yellow would be appear. That means it is this data is already existed, and you can click on save. You can view the attendance of that employee in employee daily attendance. Select the month and click on view details. You can see the imported data from here, and then you can process the salary after you import the attendance of all the employees. Also, one of the possible ways is you can directly import the monthly days, that are the present days. If it doesn't matter to you on which day the employee is absent, you just need to process the salary on his pay days, that are the days he is present. You can directly import the pay days of that employee. You can then search as monthly in the search tab and click on go. You can, from import monthly attendance, you can directly import the attendance of the month for all the employees. Here you can see you need to mention the employee ID. You need to mention the month for which you are importing the days and select the day. Same way you can copy paste all the employee IDs here. You can drag this and need to mention the year. Same way you can drag that and you can mention the pay days of the employees. If has worked for 28 days, 31, if you are paying the salary for 31 days, 30 days, mention all that. And from save this and from import monthly attendance, monthly present days, you can directly import that salary. Or if you need to manually enter for any employees, you can go to monthly attendance list. From here, you can click on add new. You need to enter the employee ID for which you are mentioning the pay days. First, we are mentioning it for Sumit Rana. Select the month and year. Mention the pay days for which he is getting the salary and click on submit. In display list, you can see the list of all the employees for which you have entered the pay days. Then you can, from the run payroll, you can directly process the salary for that particular employee. You can see based on the pay days we have imported, his salary would be processed. So these are the possible ways you can mark the attendance of the employee. Also, one of the possible ways is you can do the device integration from which the your bunches of all the employees from the device would be automatically obtained in this HRIS system, and you can view that attendance in employee daily attendance.